Hadin bagi samla puli ke North Eastern Hill University Nihu kilas dang yak jiki sat ngan klembo por hakamat ka office tray kam vice chancellor u professor Pravah Shankar Shukla namar ke jingle kuman jong u ban pen urlong ki jingdawa jongki kata ban weng kam mardori registrar u deputy registrar nalor ki wei ki bala kenno thung kam be an hapo kate ke school ba nakaliang vc ha kate kan reuterik unai wieng arjar pusau ulawan se shillong press club ban ai jing pensai halor kani kaman habakren sikilat pathai kubor u professor Shukla ulong bayau registrar deputy registrar la thung kam kat kom kan ni huak bat kam don kanu ka jingthung be ai namar yakini lajit dak selection committee jong skol ba dak boong ban weng kam yaki ka shong ha ka bor jong sarkar india omma u ne manu munuru nalor ka taw loong ba habai dei bat ka jingthung yok pro vice chancellor nakaliang ka skul ba kala deb ban ai jingtho sa ka sarkar india bat khmi lenti jubab haubnai no pra arjar saw ulong bo sa thung no arngut ki pro vice chancellor hak shillong bat tura campus ki badei ki trai mulung nalor ka taw loong ru ba unnum hiar shuki kumbala dawa ki samla pule namar ya u la thung dak ka president kari
I received a letter from the non-teaching and also the NEHUSU for the removal of, and this is a memorandum of the NEHUSU, Northeastern Hill University Student Union, and he clearly asked about the removal of the registrar, deputy registrar, of officer on special duty, director college development council, and guest house in charges. The first question I would like to mention that removal of the registrar or deputy registrar. In this response, the removal of the registrar, deputy registrar, academic deputy registrar cannot be executed based on the unilateral decision or personal direction. These officials, including the registrar and deputy registrar, were appointed following a thorough screening process and formal interview. Their roles and continuity in the service are governed by due process, not by arbitrary decision from any single authority, including the Vice Chancellor. As has been reported in the media, associations such as NEUTA, NEHUSA, and NEHUSU have already brought their concern to the government, including the President of India. If the government suspects any irregularities, including the President of India also, if the government suspect any irregularity, it may be considered forming an inquiry committee to examine the matter. However, as of now, there has been no communication from the Joint Ministry or the President Office to Vice Chancellor Office indicating such an action. This is a reality. Till now, it's important to note the termination of the government employees. Services cannot occur without valid and substantial reason. If there are indeed concern or reasons for any such actions, the process would begin with an inquiry, not an immediate termination. Regarding the roles of the OSD, Director College Development Council, I had approached many professors to consider taking the post. However, no one gave their consent. I am still willing to appoint any professor who is ready to work as the Director of College Development Council and as for guest house in charge. NEHU currently faces a shortage of non-teaching staff. I think all of you are already aware. Advertisement for the non-teaching staff position have already been issued, and although the National Testing Agency, I think all of you might be aware about the National Testing Agency, has declined to conduct the non-teaching recruitment exam, we have proceeded with tendering for alternative agencies. Multiple agencies have shown interest, and once the registrar office opens, currently closed due to protest. These files will move forward, and when the recruitment process is successfully completed, the role of the guest house in charge will naturally conclude and new guest house in charge will appoint. This is the answer of the first question already raised by the different unions. Another question is about the appointment of the Pro-Vice Chancellor. You might be remember my first or second press conference. There is a line in our act. Every Pro-Vice Chancellor. Anyone in position to define this line? What is the real meaning of the every Pro-Vice Chancellor? A Vice Chancellor can appoint 2 Pro-Vice Chancellor, 1 Pro-Vice Chancellor, or 3 Pro-Vice Chancellor. Nothing is mentioned in our act. At present, NEHU already have one campus, that is in Tura, and another campus, or you can say the constituent college with the name of Pandit Deendayal Upadhyay Skill Development College, running in Joy. So at this time, I am not authority to clear that how many Pro-Vice Chancellor can appoint. Either the government can clear, so also wrote a letter, since the discussions to different bodies. I will show you the letter also. Yeah, this letter. And 3 to 4 times, and last letter sent to the Government of India on 4th September 2024. And waiting the reply, clarification from the side of the government. Either government permit us to appoint 2 or 3 or 1 Pro-Vice Chancellor. Still it is not clear. Okay. That's why not yet appointed any Pro-Vice Chancellor. This is our act. Everybody is well aware about our act. Anyone can read, also available on our website. A Vice Chancellor can appoint the Pro-Vice Chancellor. But how many? I also received a letter from the UGC. Kindly minimize the administrative expenses of the NEHU. Was going to appoint 1 or 2 or 3. Definitely expenses, administrative expenses of the NEHU will increase. The government have the power to clear the thing. Either I will put up and the further, I can again write a letter to the government, kindly clarify the things as soon as possible. As per the present position, earlier also mentioned that NEHU have 1 campus in Tura and another constituent college is developing in the Joy areas. So government can clear. The Vice Chancellor can appoint 2 Pro-Vice Chancellor, 1 for Tura campus, another for Joy, or 1 for Tura campus and 1 for Silang campus. Or Vice Chancellor can appoint 3 Pro-Vice Chancellor. It's under the domain of the government. Under my provision, as per the Act, 1 principal is already working there, Professor S.M. Sungu, and she is already doing the bell and conducted number of skill development training program in Joy area. I think all of you are also aware about the program which has been already conducted in the Joy areas. Same thing is also under the powers of the Vice Chancellor, put up this matter in the Executive Council, and Executive Council has given the permission till the finalization of the or clearance from the government. You can give a charge, senior professor, give a charge as the campus director to perform the daily activities in Tura areas. And Professor, my one senior professor, she is already working there. This is a reply from the side of the university to non-teaching unions regarding the recruitment. I already clearly mentioned in my deliberation what is the actual position of the recruitment. And second thing, also the non-teaching union asked the promotion, and registrar is already doing the interviews. Once the office is closed, no, we already left the last 25 to near about 10 days. Out of 10 days, 5 to 6 working days. Definitely, under the system and rules, registrar office is already doing the work for the promotion of our non-teaching employees.
What about the total lockdown of the university?
Actually, no. My students are good. They have not even called for the total lockdown of the university.
They did announce.
Yeah, they did announce in future he can do his student to student can take their own decision. But he at present he locked only even asked, send a letter to the all head of the department, professor, kindly even stop the classes. Would like to even show another document that is related to cadre recruitment rules. CRRs, I think, might be aware about this is a cadre recruitment rules, and all the documents is already available on the website. Anyone can see this document. Under the cadre recruitment rules, first you advertise the position. Accordingly, position were advertised. After advertisement, constitute a screening committee. As per the rules, screening committee were constituted. After screening of the application, then another question, constitute a selection committee. Selection committee were constituted. In the selection committee, 5 to 7 members are there, not only one members. SC/ST representatives are there. This is under Group A positions. Some president of nominee are there, along with the other 2 experts, registrar and deputy registrar. So the interview were conducted not only in front of the Vice Chancellor, in front of the selection committee. And finally, selection committee has taken the decision. Not only the Vice Chancellor, on the recommendation of the experts. Because 2 experts are there who already have the knowledge about the administration and other things.
In fact, I'm just coming from Nehu only, where the students are saying that, are alleging that you have misused power and demanding your resignation as well.
Again, would like to repeat my same things. A student can say anything, okay? But as I assured during the time of my joining, I would like to perform my duties as per the Act, statutes and norms of the university.
Your absence in the university, that has been raised as an issue by the students.
Yes, they have questioned your availability in the office.
Unavailability in my office, except the official work. Normally the official work, I think I only expended maximum time in my office. And anyone can visit in my way from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. Normally sometime also 9:30 p.m. And this is a common experience. You can ask anyone.
Have you invited these agitating non-teaching staff?
Yes.
And what is the outcome of the meeting?
No, actually, yesterday I made a discussion with the non-teaching association. They are asking all the things. They are agree with the discussions. They are asking in writing. The registrar office is already closed now. So files are there. Two important things. The first, declaration of the examination date. But without the finalization of the agency, Vice Chancellor cannot declare the date. The committee is already working there. Notification and committee already approved, and notification already has been done. Committee after submission of the report or seeing the report of the committee and discussion with the agency. Out of 6 or 7 applications were received by the university. Among 6 who is ready? Who is already ready to follow the terms, conditions, system, rules of the university to conduct the examination? Then I will be in position to declare some date. No, without discussion, can't declare any date. He is agreeing with my discussion. He is writing the discussion in writing. Okay, I address you after even final discussion or call off of the of a strike by the student. Definitely, it is required. I will give him the in writing also.
Sir, there are allegations against you that you are anti-tribal. So, do you agree to it?
Okay, anyone can raise the allegations. First thing I would like to even mention there. 6 important positions in the university: controller of examination, vice chancellor, registrar, finance officer, librarian, and university engineer. And then the last is the director, college development council. Out of 6, 3 positions were held by the local people. Librarian, first appointment given by me to the local people as a librarian of the name. Professor F.R. Sumer. Yeah, F.R. Sumer is looking this data. Second is university engineer, Mr. Lenin. Yeah, Lenin. He is looking the position of the university engineer. And the third, as in charge, Professor Umdor is helping me for conducting the examination after implementation of the National Education Policy 2020. And he is already doing, all the 3 is already doing well. So out of 6, 3 are the local people. Rest of the thing you can decide कि I am to have pro or anti. I'm not going to say any word, but you can decide. This is the actual position in the university.
For some inquiry into appointment of registrar and deputy registrar, why should you wait for the center? Can't you order an inquiry, internal inquiry?
Actually, this is a as per CRR, cadre recruitment rules. This post is under the A category. Only Education Council has the power to frame the inquiry. Educative Vice Chancellor cannot frame the inquiry. Yes, I can put up the matter in Educative Council. But I cannot violate the, once going to violate the rules, next time you can also ask the question, in this case you already violated, why not the other case?
So
and this is already all the things are mentioned in our right.
So removal will only take place after an inquiry?
No, removal देखिए. Yes, after the removal, क्योंकि registrar is a tenurial position, only the 5 years. Deputy registrars are the regular position. Okay. Deputy registrars are under the probation period. Before going to even confirm any deputy registrar, this is a common procedure, not only for the deputy registrar, others also. We will definitely follow the same procedure. Registrar is going to complete near about the 1 year. In the last moment, the people ask a question. He already did his work in last 1 year. And what already happened in the campus, I think might be all of you are also aware. implementation of the national education policy, then changing of the rules and regulations. Some work is still going on. So you can define the ability of the register. देखिए गवर्नमेंट एजुकेटिव काउंसिल कैन और गवर्नमेंट कैन कॉन्स्टिट्यूट द कमिटी, क्योंकि यूनियंस ऑलरेडी रोट ए लेटर टू द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया, प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया एंड आल्सो द सेक्रेटरी एजुकेशन, और आई कैन से द मिनिस्टर ऑफ एजुकेशन. Definitely, if the government is going to take any decision, I will follow the decision of the government.
So regarding your demand for your removal, sir, will you resign? Because there are demand from all quarters itself.
देखिए, I'm not going to resign anything. Okay, the first thing is. Second thing is, my appointment was done by President of India. This is my appointing authority. She can take any decision. Definitely, I will follow whatever the decision they are done are going to take by the President of India. As per system and norms, I cannot directly even entertain the office of the President of India. I can apprise all the things to the Secretary, Education, Government of India. Already apprised all the things. I cannot write. I don't have the power to directly even discuss or write anything to the President of India. Surpassing the secretary or minister government of India. I can write directly to the secretary government of India. Already apprised.
So
you have already sent a letter to regarding all this agitation to Union Education Ministry.
Yes.
So will you invite these agitating students and non-teaching staff?
Yes, I am always ready. Immediately after going back, again going to call the students. Please come forward. Discuss the matter. Discussion is the only way to solve any kind of the problem. There is no any other way. Come on the table. Discuss the matter under the norms, rules and the system. Because I am also bound with the rules and regulation. Always ready to discuss my students. Or discuss my teachers or non-teaching association.
Will you also appeal to them to call off their agitations, sir? Because it is hampering your university.
Yes. My request to the student union, non-teaching union, and also if the teaching unions are involved. Because directly I am not even getting anything, the teaching union is covered. Kindly call off the agitation in the interest of the NEHU students. What will be the consequences if it is going for a long time? Definitely the examination will be affected. So who will be the sufferer? So come on the table, ready to discuss the matter, to find out the amicable solution under the system, rules and norms. And I always not only ready, I am also ready to go anywhere.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat la ne ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya